Hi, this is the 1955 Thunderbird Junior giving a demonstration of the radio control. We'll walk by the car. Car is on right now, and we're going to demonstrate here in a second. We turn the lights on and off. In a second. And the rear lights, front lights. This is the horn. That's the horn. Demonstrate the left and the right. I'm doing this with one hand, so. The servo is, because it is fairly slow, but it's fast enough to drive at the speeds we're going for parades and parking. And that's tied mechanically to the existing steering mechanism. Forward by pressing slightly, reverse, forward, reverse. The reverse works as a brake. And here we go again. Forward, brake, reverse. Reverse is at about 10% of the forward speed. We'll demonstrate what happens inside the car. The actual mechanism is turning, so when you put the doll in, the dog doll, it would wire it to the hand. It looks like the dog is truly driving the car. So anyway, this is the video of the 1955 Ford T-Bird Junior radio controlled version. Thank you. Bye-bye.